Unlock a simpler way to grow your money and generate passive income using your savings accounts and see this with Marcus by Goldman Sachs. First, let's get you set up. Visit the Marcus by Goldman Sachs website and navigate to their savings account section. You'll need to create an account, which is a straightforward process involving providing some personal and contact information and linking a bank account for easy transfers. The star of passive income here is the Marcus High Yield Savings Account. Its key advantage is a significantly higher annual percentage yield, or APY, compared to traditional banks. This means your deposited money earns more interest, and the magic of compounding interest kicks in with compounding. Your earned interest starts earning its own interest, accelerating your money's growth over time. To maximize your returns, think long-term. Regularly depositing funds into your Marcus savings account leverages the power of compounding more effectively. Even small, consistent contributions can add up significantly over years, creating a steady, passive income stream from the interest earned. For potentially higher, guaranteed returns, consider Marcus certificates of deposit or CDIS. You lock in your funds for a set term, say 6 months, a year, or longer, and in return, you get a fixed, often higher, interest rate for that period. Combining a high-yield savings account for flexibility with CDIS for guaranteed growth can be a powerful passive income strategy. By diversifying your deposits across these Marcus products, you're building a robust system that works for you, silently growing your wealth without active management. Start building your passive income today with the competitive rates and trusted platform of Marcus by Goldman Sachs.